before we start our discussion, let's introduce yourself first. Hello everyone, my name is Aziz Rapsanjani. I come from West Lombok, a region known for its natural beauty and friendly community. I'm currently studying at Bumigora University, majoring in computer science. I have just started my first semester, specifically in class A. I'm very excited to begin my academic journey here, considering the great opportunities and challenging in this field. The reason I chose computer science is quick, simple. I have deep interest in computer and everything related to technology. Since I was child, I always been curious about how computer devices work. Even trying out different application or software to understand them better. Furthermore, I see that the world of computer, particularly programming, is rapidly evolving and offer promising career opportunities. Speak of life goals, I dream of becoming a skilled programmer. I want to develop application or system that benefit society and help solve various problems. To achieve this, I'm not only on my technical skill but also improve my critical thinking and problem solving ability. In the future, I plan to pursue a master degree because I believe knowledge is ever evolving and I want to keep learning and improving myself. In this discussion, I will talk about the challenge and opportunities we face a new study in this program. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Novitra Mayani. I'm so glad to meet all of you through this video. I come from West Lombok, alright, located on the beauty island of Lombok. Now I'm studying computer science at Bumigora University. I'm in the first semester. So why did I choose computer science? Since I was a child, I've been friended the technology and how it can transform the world around us. As a programmer, you can create something new and beneficial for many people, which is what inspired me to host this major. I see a vast array of opportunity in the tech world, especially with the high demand for programmers, application or solution that help author and make their life size. This my main goal in pursuing education in this field. I'm very happy to share a bit about myself, my dreams, and what I'm currently doing. I will share my exploration of navigating the first semester in the this program and my perspective on what we can achieve in the future.
Alright, let's get started with it. What was your first impression when you entered the computer science program?
At first, I feel a bit nervous because I did have any prior programming background, but after a few weeks, I started getting access to topics like introduct algorithm and basic programming. How about you, Aziz?
I feel the same, especially during my first experience with coding. Even though it was challenging, I enjoy it because our lecture provide plenty of practical example, but honestly, there were times I feel overwhelmed. Have you ever felt like that?
Of course, there were times when the assignments come all at once, especially when the endings were close together. Remember on week when I had to complete their assignments at the same time. It really Thursday my time management skill. How do you have students like that?
I usually try to create a priority list. For instance, I tackle the assignment that take more time first, but sometimes I also ask for help from friends, specifically if their contact I find difficult to understand. In your opinion, which lecture or teacher style has helped you the most so far?
I really like Mr. Anthony teaching style in the basic programming class. She always use easy to understand analogy. For example, when explaining the concept of looping, she used everyday example like cooking instant noodles. The really help. What about you?
I agree. Mr. Anthony is very inspiring, but I'm also inspired with Miss Bidari in the English class. Haven't of the material, how he often gives group assignments so we can learn from each other. Speaking of group assignment, how was your experience been with them so far?
Fortunately, my group is quite solid, but there are also clients like aligning or schedules for discussion. Smart teams, we have to stay up late because everyone is buzzed. How about your group?
My group is also pretty solid, but there was one time when we almost missed the deadline because one of the members forgot to finish the part. It was a lesson for used to always track the progress of tasks regularly. What do you think is the most important thing in group work?
Communication with good communication. It's hard to achieve the best result. Also, clear text decision is crucial. We need to know what each person is capable for. Do you think this skill will be useful in the future?
Definitely in the working world, many projects needs to be done in teams. Also, group work experience is like a small simulation before we enter the professional work. In group work, do you have any valuable experience from this semester?
I really enjoy the practical session, even though the can be tense. I feel like it's the best way to apply with what we've learned in class. For example, when we create a simple program asking Python, it was very starting. Do you feel the same side?
Absolutely. The practical session made me feel more confident in my ability, but I also realized the importance of prepare before the lab, like reading the module beforehand. Other we make just confused by the way. Have you tried joining a coding competition?
Not yet, but I'm very interested. I still feel like I'm not quite ready. How about you? Have you ever tried?
I haven't either, but I'm looking for information about competition style for beginner. I have thought joining competition can improve our skill quickly because we learn from real life situation. Or maybe we can try it together next semester.
That's a great idea. I agree. We can support each other. By the way, have you thought about a specific area you want to focus on in computer science?
I'm interested in mobile apps development. I want to create apps that can help in everyday life, like a personal finance management apps. How about you?
I'm more interested in data science. I think the field is really relevant nowadays, especially with the increasing demand for data analysis. But finally, I still have a lot to learn. Have you started exploring your favorite file?
Not too much yet, but I've started learning the basic of Android Studio. I think it's better to start small but wait for the perfect time. Do you think it's important to start early?
Definitely. If we wait too long, we might lose momentum. Plus be starting early. We have more time to learn from our mistakes, but not forget to keep a blanch. How do you keep your motive?
I always remind myself of my goal, which is to become a skilled app developer. Also, I try to collect every small assignment, like successfully completing a simple project that helps keep me motivated. How about you?
I try to focus on the progress, not just the outcome. I also feel energy when sharing experience with friends like our discussion today. I feel more motivated after hearing your perspective. Also, I'm like because there a campus organization relate to our major. Are you instead enjoying something like that?
Oh yes, I've already joined the coding club on the campus. Last week, they held workshop on web apps development. I really opened my mind. Have you joined any organization?
I just joined the data science club. They have an interesting mentoring program. Plus, I get the chance to learn from science we who we are already experienced. Do you think organizations like this are you helpful?
Very helpful. Not only do we gain knowledge, but we can expand our network. I heard that some seniors got internship because they were active in clubs. It's really inspiring. Do you have a specific target this first semester?
I want to improve my coding skill. I think but be learning a new programming language like Java. I'll be better prepared for the class in the next semester. How about you?
My target is to create a simple apps that can be used by others. Also, I want to start build my portfolio. I think it's important for our career in the future. By the way, speaking of career, do you have an idea of where you like to work?
I'm interested in working for a big tech company like Google or Amazon, but I know that requires a lot of profit purposes. That that's why I want to focus on gradually improving my skills. How about you?
I'm more interested in starting my one startup. I want to create solution for problem that people face regularly, but of course, I need to learn a lot before I start. Do you have any tips for staying focused on our goals?
Always make plans and track your programs. I also try to read books or attachments to expand my knowledge. That's why we stay motivated. What do you think?
I agree. I also try to learn from other experience. Maintaining a balance between academy and personal life is important too. Thanks, Fitri, for this discussion. I feel really motivated.
You're welcome, Aziz. This discussion also gave me a fresh perspective. I hope we can continue supporting each other.
I mean, see you in the next discussion, Fitri.
See you, Aziz.